What's up, guys? So today we're going to be building some Teck decks. So they come without the grip tape, and what we're going to do is you have to put the grip tape on, use this tool that it comes with. This comes with a set, there was 4 of them. Use the screws and nuts that it gives you, and then we can pick which type of wheels and what type of trucks we want to put on it. So we're going to get to it and see how it's going to be making our own Teck decks. Okay, so the first step to making your Teck deck is you want to first have your Teck deck. So I'm choosing this one right here. Then the next step is to choose the trucks, which we don't really get an option on this one, and they're all gray or silver. So just pull these out of it. Then the final stage is to choose what type of wheels you want. So we're gonna pick these white ones for this zero board. It's gonna look pretty good, so we'll pick those and put them on. First we gotta screw the trucks on. The next step in creating the Teck deck is to put on the trucks. So to do that, there's 4 little screw holes here, and your Teck deck set should come with screws and bolts. So you want to take those screws and just screw them in right there. I normally start with 1 and then just put the truck right on the other side, then start screwing. Should work out pretty good. It comes with a little device, but for me, I normally like using this tool I have right here. It's a small screwdriver, but it works real well. So that's what we're going to be using. And so once we're done with the trucks, then it's time to apply the wheels. Alright guys, so I just put on the trucks. It wasn't that hard. I just screwed these in. I think I may have broke the plastic a little bit because I over tightened it. So note to self, if you're going to do it, just don't over tighten it because you can break that little piece in between both of the screws. But I just got that on. Next thing I'm gonna want to do is go over to my plastic and put on these wheels. You can choose whichever. They give you 3 sets, but I'm just gonna use the white ones. Put it on and we're gonna see how it looks. I think it'll go pretty good, and let's go screw on some wheels. So I just put the wheels on the trucks, but to do so you need to use this little tool it gives you. There's really no way around it because I've never seen any like wrench part that is this small. So what I normally do is I take my little tiny nut that it gives you, which it gives you right in those little holes, and then I just drop it right in the hole or the spot on this tool, and then all you want to do is then just stick it right on the part of the truck and then screw your wheel on. So we just got to do this 4 times, and then we have to use the grip tape. Alright, so the wheels are on. Looks pretty good. I think we might need to take the tool and just make sure that the trucks are all the way on. But our board is looking pretty good. Next thing we gotta do is take our grip tape right here, if I can get it off the ground, and we just have to carefully place it right on our Teck deck. It's actually a sticker, but it's a really good sticking sticker, so you just have to carefully peel it and then place your Teck deck sticker right there. But so far it's looking pretty good. Got the nice little skull wheels on it, so we'll see. And this is the 0 series. Let's get to it. Okay, our board is done. So we got the 0 board right here, and we put the grip tape on. It was just like how this box was, just everything was in it, but now it went from parts to a full complete Teck deck, and I think it looks pretty cool. Let's go take it on a little test.